Hi guys, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to block third-party cookies in incognito mode. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want block third-party cookies in incognito mode, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Then press on three dots top right side corner. Then press on settings. Under setting, select here privacy and security. In this you can see here third party cookies. Open this option. Now you can see here by default here select allow third party cookies. You should select block third party cookies in incognito mode. That's it guys. So this is a simple method to block third party cookies in incognito mode. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.